Stop learning English incorrectly. Hello, my name is Teacher Jasmine, and I am the co-founder and owner of CCC Language Learning, where I help entrepreneurs and business leaders feel more confident speaking English. If you're ready for your life to change, make sure you follow me, make sure you comment, make sure you like wherever you see this video. You can contact me at ccclanguagelearning.com to be able to book a class with me, or go to my website and book a class with me at ccclanguagelearning.com. These are the words that the students in my Telegram group have asked me to go over. What I'm going to do for them, what you're going to see in this video, I'm going to pick one of these words, and if you want to see the rest of these words, you got to join the Telegram group so you can see the videos for these words, right? So I'm gonna pick a word. I don't know where my finger is gonna land. All right, this is the word. We do use this word a lot. The word is sit. This is also an irregular verb. I do want to pick a verb that is regular so you can see something. So I'm gonna pick this word. Okay, so you're gonna see two words in this video, but if you want to see the rest of these words, you got to join my Telegram group. All right, so here we go. This is a very common word. We use this word every day. The word is want. And let me point something out to you. If you watched this last video, you know the past tense of go now. Yes? Tell me in the comments below, what is the past tense of go? The past tense of go, if you didn't know, is went. And many students get confused with these two words. These are not the same words. They may sound very similar, but they're not. The reason why they're confusing is because you're using your phonetic system to pronounce them. So here, this sounds like and went. I went to the store. Want. You know, I do need to add something to our last went video. So this is a bonus. Keep watching. It's very important. When you use went, you can either say I went to, or I went to the. Okay? This is very, very important. If somebody asks you, where did you go? Remember, did and go. Did is the daddy, go is the mommy, went is the baby. If it is any time you're dealing with home, where did you go? Where did you go after work? Where did you go after the party? I went home. That is it. No to home, no to the home, just I went home. That is it. Another thing, you are never going to see go and went in the same sentence. Do not ever do that. Never, never, never. Never going to say I go went. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Now, I went home. What do we use I went to? We use I went to for I went to work. I went to work. That is naturally how you're going to hear a native speaker say it. You're not going to hear it the way that it is read when you're reading it in your head. It's not clear. It sounds like I went to work. I went to. I went to. I went to work. Work. I went to work. I went to school. I went to school. I went to school. I went to church. I went to work, I went to school, I went to church. These are we do not say I went to the. No. No, no, no. No. The only time we would say I went to the school, if it is a specific school or it was a conversation that you had previously with someone. But in general, where did you go today? I went to school. Even if it's university, even if it's college, I went to school today. I went to class today. I went to class. Yes, I went to class. Another one. Okay? School, church, class, work. Now, when dealing with the, usually it is with a public place. I went to the store. S-T, st, O-R-E, or. So, I went to the store. O-R sounds like or. St, or. The E is silent. I went to the store. I went to the. Many students say this incorrectly. It is not bank. It is not bank. You see my tongue? It is not bank. It is bank. A. Hear me in your head. A. Bank. Not bank. 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 Okay? I went to the store. I went to the bank. I went to the market. I went to the supermarket. I went to the park. Park. Supermarket. I went to the supermarket. I went to the park. I went to the bank. I went to the gas station. These, you need to just see the pattern and you will speak English fluently. I promise. All right. Now, you may ask me, what about Burger King or a specific store? If you want to know the answer, join my Telegram group. I will go over that. Okay? So, Telegram group, here is for you. Let's go over want. What did you want from the supermarket? Didn't want makes wanted. Now, in English, ED makes 3 different sounds. D, id, and t. Many students think that every time they see ed, it sounds like id. Wrong. No. Depends on the last letter of the word, but please do not try to memorize it. It's something you have to just hear and listen to and pay attention. So every time you see a word now, every time you watch a movie, every time you watch a TV show, look for a word that has ed and listen to how we pronounce it as native English speakers. This is pronounced as wanted. Wanted, okay? So, I wanted, and sometimes you're going to hear I wanted. It's like we swallow the T. I wanted. What did you want from the supermarket? Oh, I wanted some tomato sauce. I wanted some tomato sauce so that I could make some pasta. Okay? What did you want from the supermarket? I'm sorry, I didn't let you know I went to the supermarket. What did you want from the supermarket? Do you hear how fast? What did you want? What did you remember? Didn't you make you? What did you want from the supermarket? Oh, I wanted some tomato sauce so that I could make some pasta. Okay, so we have on instead of on. I wanted some the O sounds like a tomato. The letter T sounds like a tomato. I wanted some tomato sauce. So not that. The thing about it is, even if you said that, even if you pronounce it as a D, you're still not sounding like a native speaker because you're saying the D very heavily. You're saying dot, and it is not correct. It is supposed to be that. So that I could do something. There was a possibility you wanted to do something so that I could make some pasta. It is not pasta. No, it is pasta. Pasta. I almost forgot sat. Okay, so where did you sit? My name is Teacher Jasmine, and I will help you feel more confident speaking English. Did and sit. Where did you sit? Oh, so let's say you are on a bus. Where did you sit? So did and sit makes sat. I sat at the front of the bus. Okay, I sat. CVC word again. That's consonant, vowel, consonant. At, sat. We don't say sat, but sat. I sat at. They rhyme. At, sat, at. I sat at the. It is not D. It is not duh. It is the. The. I sat at the front. I sat at the front of. OF sounds like OV. Of the bus. Once again. CVC. Bus. I sat at the front of the bus. I sat at the front of the bus. Follow the rhythm. That is how you learn the rhythm. I sat at the front of the bus. I sat at the front of the bus. I sat at the front of the bus. If you're a business professional or an entrepreneur, I guarantee I will help you and change your life. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.